Hey guys, so today we will take a look into the Redmi Note 3 that recently released in China. So as we know, Xiaomi is starting to the global. Today Xiaomi launched an update to the Redmi Note line, the Redmi Note 4. If you look at the specification at the high level, the Redmi Note 4 is shipping with the fairly aggressive specs for the price, which is start with the 135 USD for the model and 2 GB RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and 180 USD for the model of 3 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. There is also a micro SD slot for 16 GB of internal storage. Isn't necessary at the end of the world. Also, for the related to the processor, it has MediaTek Helio X20 processor, but instead of 2.5 gigahertz Cortex A72 at the height level, it looks like Xiaomi is shipping a 2.1 gigahertz variant, which could either be down clock delivery to reduce the peak power consumption or cost saving measure. So there is also a device contain the 4100 milliamp hour battery. Mm, yes, also its screen size is 5.5-inch display size with 1080 pixel size, and the contrast ratio is 1001. The sunlight display technology is also included in this cell phone. For the related to camera, it contains the rear camera is 13 megapixel with PDAF technology, and front facing camera is 5 megapixel sensor. Both have a f2.0 aperture, but I don't really see any mention of the supply of the model or sensor here. I suspect that this is going to be Samsung ISOCELL sensor or something similar on rear, but absent actual data. This is just a wild guess. For the connectivity goes 8 802.11 ABG NS, Wi-Fi Direct and Bluetooth 4.2 are supported. There is no explicitly discussion of NFC connectivity, but seeing on how MIP and LIP is supported on NFC mobile-based payment service in Redmi Note 4. Also, it support all the GSM brand and WCDMA brands and LTE brands. So for the if for the thickness, it is a 3.8.35 millimeter, and for the weight it is 1.75 grams weight. And yes, it contains the UFC Type C. If you go, there is a mm, its design looks like a Android HTC design. If you look, it is similar to the previous generation of Redmi, that is 3S, that recently it is in India. Related to price, I guess, for the uh, you will get that is 60 2 GB RAM and 60 GB of variant, you will get 135 USD, and for the 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, you will get 180 USD dollar. And for the colors, you will get the three colors: silver, gold, and dark. So hope this will come to India soon, so stay tuned for the updates. Thank you. Please like this video and share this video. Thank you.